Let's look at this question. The minimum possible value of the sum of squares of the roots of the equation x square minus 3p plus 4x minus 3p plus 5 is equal to 0, where p is real is. So I need to find the minimum value of the sum of squares of the roots. Okay, so I'm assuming the roots of this equation. I'm assuming the roots of this equation to be uh, alpha and beta. Now I need to find the minimum value of sum of squares of the root for a square, alpha square plus beta square. I need to find the minimum value of this expression. Okay, so what is alpha square plus beta square? Using the identity alpha plus beta whole square, I can write alpha square plus beta square as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times alpha beta. Because for a quadratic equation, I always know the value of sum of roots and product of the roots, correct? So alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, correct? So this expression become alpha plus beta is sum of the root, and that is minus b by a. In terms of coefficients of x and x square, it would be minus b by a. So that would be 3p plus 4 whole square minus 2 times product of the root. Alpha beta is product of the root, and product of the root is minus c by a, and that is minus 3p plus 5 upon 1. Right? So this is alpha square plus beta square. We need to find the minimum value of this expression. And can you see this expression become quadratic? And we know how to find the minimum value of a quadratic. So I'm expanding this term. This is 9p square plus 16 plus 24p. And this become plus 6p plus 10. So the whole equation become 9p square, right, plus 30p plus 26, correct? So I know the minimum value of this expression would be minus d by 4a, and it occurs at p is equal to minus b by 2a. Minimum for this expression occurs at minus b by 2a, right? Because for a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, I know the minimum value always occurs at minus b by 2a. Okay, so minus b by 2a becomes minus 30 upon 2 times 9, right? And that becomes minus 10 upon 3. 2 get cancelled 5 times. So at minus 5 by 3, we should get the minimum value of this expression. So minimum of alpha square plus beta square would be how much? 9 into p square. That is 25 upon 9 plus 30 into minus 5 by 3 plus 26. So it becomes 25. It becomes minus 50. That is minus 25 plus 26. So this minimum value becomes 1, or the correct answer to this question is option B.